Hello, welcome back. So I sat down and I was looking at this one. I liked the chart because it was like a gun chart, but really the best time to buy was here once it broke this 770 level or anytime like, touching VWAP basically. And then it started channeling up here above VWAP. And looking at Oracle, it's now bearish, but it was bullish for a second when it was doing this move, which during which I was hesitating in the 830s. It moved from the 830s to the 890s. So I was like, okay, don't chase it, wait for the pullback. But it kept bumping its head at this 903 resistance range. I'm going to zoom into the chart a little bit more. So right around here, it just could not like push past that. I guess that's 905. What did I think about this from a daily chart perspective? Um, this was almost, was it a breakout? Now I can't remember. It's had a lot of volume, 192 million volume on an 8 million share float stock. I'm looking back for more resistance. Thought I saw something. Resistance here in the 935 range if you scroll all the way back on the chart. But it's had a lot of volume recently and a lot of green days, right? Like one huge green, like green day pullback, huge green day, another green day. So maybe it's overextended at this point and it's bumping into previous resistance. So I was like, it's not a buy because it's not a breakout. Um, but there's so much volume today, and I was like, I don't know. So it didn't exactly strike me as a buy, but I wanted to give it a shot closer to a support level. So, and I said to myself, well, if I'm going to try it, I want to set a really strong risk. And I waited for like a better moment for me to get in. So like I started watching like right around here in the 830s. I wasn't sure. It was kind of like downtrending. Then it fucking started uptrend. I was like, oh fucking shit. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait. I wait. It seems like it bottoms out right here in the 818s. By the time, I'm like ready to buy it, it's like 830 something. So I got in at 837. And then the next fucking candle is red and it's lower red than the candle that I got in on. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to exit, uh, hang on to my little profits and money, whatever it is. And I took a $9 loss. So I got in at 837 and I got out at 826, $9. Um, so yeah, this would have also been a cool position, 809, see what it does into the close. Because there's so much volume here. Oh, see, it just failed again. So, well, no, it's holding this 810 level, but this one's this one's too overextended. Um, I do think a lot of shorts are trapped in this because of the volume. It just keeps staying up. Um, but I think it's too risky of a buy for a long. So I gave it a shot. Um, what I'm proud of myself for is that I said I don't want to take more than a $10 loss. And that's what I did. Like, really, it was between like $20. $20 is my max per trade. That's 1% of my account. This seems to be a better entry point because of the multiple points that have sat down on this. Yeah, 809. It just it's just stuck in this little channel though. I don't know. I was curious if it would pop into the close during after hours, but it is also kind of far from VWAP, and it did already complete its delta today. The delta is the range of where it started and where it ended on Oracle. Um, I don't know. There's some kind of news about something. Yeah, this is a better entry, I guess. A little bit closer to the support line, which I saw in the 790s. Oh well, I tried, people. Fucking sucks that I hesitated over here, but I fucking wasn't sure. And by the time I was like, okay, 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 like it was already up here. Like at least I didn't lose this, you know? I tried to be patient, tried to get in on that next green pattern going up. Um, so let's just see what happens. It's hard not to feel like upset if you're, you know, if like something happens that you want it to happen, such as this, uh, after you are kind of like, after you are forced to exit, this will probably go to the nines right now, just because of the low volume and the buyers. There's so many buyers. It's the biggest top percent gainer with the most volume. They could put out a PR at like 405 of some shit. I feel like all these companies put out PRs at 405. Would have been nice to make money today, but no chance. I would say it was a little bit of a forced trade, but the benefits of it are the quick cover or the quick cut. I'll let the video go till 405. Well, I guess I learned something, right? Um, look for more support points before you enter. I kind of just had like one. I feel like I know that already though. No, maybe this is failing. Yeah. I don't know. Either way, it's too overextended for me as a long. Yeah, it's failing this line. So, now will it break this 792 line? It is kind of far from VWAP, so well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and good luck to you and your trading. Bye.